that bad boy, huh? That looked pretty. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna make some chicken burritos today. I've got almost 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Got some 10-inch tortillas, a couple jalapeno peppers, a white onion, some leftover habanero queso, a little soy sauce that I'm gonna marinate the chicken in, and some Mexican cheese. Let's get started. Right there, my chicken is all cut up. My onions and jalapenos. I'm going to put some salt, pepper, and garlic and some soy sauce on top of the chicken and let it marinate for about a half hour. I got the soy sauce and salt, pepper, and garlic all mixed in with that chicken. I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge for a half hour to let it marinate. Right there, I got my frying pan preheating. My chicken's done marinating. I've got some minced garlic I'm going to throw on it. We've got our jalapenos and onions, and I've also got some beef tallow that everything's going to be fried in. I really only use beef tallow, lard, or butter when I'm cooking at home. I don't like seed oils. Pan's preheated, tallow is all melted. Some onions, the jalapenos. It's going to take 2 hands to do the chicken. There's my chicken and garlic. We're going to let that cook for a little bit like this, and then as the chicken cooks more, I'll mix everything together. Our chicken, jalapeno, and onion mixture is coming along well. Got a little ways to go. There we go, our chicken, jalapeno, and onion mixture is done. You know, when you marinate that chicken in the soy sauce with the salt, pepper, and garlic added to it, it really gives it a great flavor when you fry it up. It goes really well with the habanero queso that we're going to put on the burrito. My chicken, jalapeno, and onion mixture is done. I'm going to pop a lid on this while we preheat the griddle so we can do our tortillas. I got my grill top preheated. Slap my tortilla down. We're going to heat that up on both sides. This right here is my habanero queso. I just heated up. I had some left over from a meal I made a few days ago. I make that by combining a small brick of Velveeta or half of a large brick with 1 10-ounce can of hot Rotel with tomatoes and habaneros. If you don't like your food real hot, you can use mild Rotel. Comes out very spicy. That's why we didn't spice up the meat, because this is going to add all the spice we need. Now we're going to make our burrito. There's our tortilla. There's our chicken, jalapeno, and onion mixture. That's my spicy hot habanero queso. Right there's our spicy nacho Doritos. That's going to give the burrito a crunch and give it some nice texture. It's my Mexican style cheddar jack cheese. I'm now going to show you how to roll the perfect burrito. You're going to pull the sides up like this. You take the back and you're going to pull it all the way forward, and then you tuck it up underneath, and you just slowly roll, giving the tortilla a chance to stretch with it. There's my perfect burrito. Spread some beef tallow around on our grill. Start with the first burrito. There we go, look at that bad boy. 2 more to go. Both of my sons. Well, I just gave my son his 2 burritos. Since I hate cooking videos where people don't sample their food. Look at that bad boy, huh? That looks pretty. Here we go. Oh. It is so good. Marinating that chicken in the soy sauce really kind of permeates it and gives it a nice flavor, along with the garlic, jalapeno, and onion that it was cooked with. Going for another. Those chips in there give it a nice crunch. Really easy, healthy to make meal. I hope you give it a try. Very good. Piece of tortilla there. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. When you hit the email bell, hit all, or YouTube's AI will decide what videos it's going to show you. If you hit all, you get to decide. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to finish my burrito. See ya. I'm going to make some chicken burritos today. Got almost. Our chicken, jalapeno, and onion mixture is done. I'm going to pop a lid on this while we preheat the griddle so we can
Fog rolled in thick. A beast was lurking. Tonight the GRT boys hunt a savage lycanthrope that stole Moose's headstone cap. Armed with silver bullets and bad intentions, they rode in ready for war. The wolf thought he owned the night, but he picked the wrong crew and the wrong cap. He huffed, he puffed. GRT blew that big bad wolf straight back into the shadows. This hunt ends tonight.
Welcome to the Gentlemen's Roundtable. Pull up a chair.
You can watch us on Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. Central.
Would you fancy some cheese and crackers?
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.